The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact camera releases in recent years, even before its official launch. After the massive success of the Osmo Pocket 3, DJI is preparing a new generation that promises meaningful upgrades across imaging, battery life, controls, and connectivity. From larger sensors and possible dual camera setups to upgraded audio and faster wireless performance, the Pocket 4 is already generating huge interest among vloggers, travelers, and everyday creators who rely on compact but powerful gear. Based on early chassis leaks and certification images, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to keep its signature slim, handheld design that made the earlier models so popular. It will remain small enough to fit in a pocket, yet sturdy enough for daily travel use. However, subtle refinements are expected. The body layout appears to feature updated physical buttons beneath the touchscreen, possibly replacing the branding area seen on the Pocket 3. These added controls could allow faster access to recording, focus, zoom, or gimbal modes without needing to tap the screen constantly. Even with internal upgrades, the Pocket 4 is expected to stay under 200 grams, making it ideal for long handheld shooting sessions without fatigue. One of the most talked about rumors surrounding the Osmo Pocket 4 is its camera sensor system. Leaks suggest that DJI may introduce a dual sensor setup for the first time in the Pocket series. The main camera is rumored to use a large 1-inch sensor, possibly with a resolution around 50 megapixels. This would be a major leap in image quality, especially in low light, dynamic range, and background separation. The larger sensor would allow more light to hit the image sensor, resulting in cleaner night footage, smoother highlights, and better overall color depth. Alongside this main sensor, a secondary smaller sensor, possibly around 1/1.3 inch in size, is rumored to be included. This secondary camera could be optimized for vertical video, social media framing, or fast switching between shooting styles without rotating the device. There is also strong speculation that the main lens may feature a variable aperture. If true, this would give users far more control over exposure in different lighting conditions, something rarely seen in such compact gimbal cameras. While none of this has been officially confirmed by DJI yet, the consistency of these leaks across multiple sources suggests that the Pocket 4 is being positioned as a serious step forward in mobile-style cinematography. Video performance is expected to be one of the biggest upgrades in the Osmo Pocket 4. Rumored specifications point towards support for video recording up to 6K at 60 frames per second. If this becomes reality, it would place the Pocket 4 far ahead of its predecessor in terms of resolution and detail. Higher resolution video allows creators to crop footage without losing clarity and gives more flexibility during editing. DJI is also expected to further improve its color science, HDR processing, and dynamic range performance, continuing the strong visual quality seen in the Pocket 3. Stabilization will once again rely on DJI's proven 3-axis mechanical gimbal system. This physical stabilization is one of the Pocket camera's biggest advantages over action cameras and smartphones. It produces smoother, more natural cinematic motion without relying only on digital stabilization. With improved motors and faster processing, the Pocket 4 should offer even better tracking performance, particularly for fast-moving subjects, walking shots, and dynamic vlogging situations. Another area where leaks suggest noticeable change is the display system. Some leaked images indicate the possible presence of a second small display or status screen. This extra screen may not function as a full viewfinder but could show vital shooting information such as battery, resolution, frame rate, or recording status. This would allow users to monitor key settings at a glance without flipping the main screen or connecting to a smartphone. The main touchscreen is expected to remain responsive and bright, designed for outdoor shooting as well as night use. Gesture controls, face tracking, subject locking, and quick gimbal mode switching are likely to return with further refinements for faster everyday operation. Together, these changes point toward a more professional, workflow-friendly user experience while keeping the Pocket series simple for beginners. Battery life is another confirmed area of improvement. According to FCC filings, the Osmo Pocket 4 uses a battery rated around 1,545 mAh, which is roughly 18% larger than the battery found in the Pocket 3. In practical terms, this should translate to noticeably longer recording time per charge. Users can expect better endurance during extended vlog shoots, travel days, and time-lapse recording without needing to constantly recharge or swap power sources. Fast charging support is also expected to return, allowing users to quickly refill the battery using power banks or wall chargers. This makes the Pocket 4 more reliable for creators who shoot on the move or work in fast-paced environments. Audio quality has become increasingly important for content creators, and DJI appears to be giving it serious attention with the Pocket 4. Leaks point toward a possible 4-microphone array for improved directional sound capture and clearer voice recording. This multi-mic setup would help reduce background noise, improve wind resistance, and deliver more natural spoken audio without the need for external microphones in basic situations. There is also strong speculation that the Pocket 4 will integrate more deeply with DJI's wireless microphone systems. Seamless pairing, lower latency, and improved audio syncing would make the Pocket 4 a complete all-in-one solution for vloggers, interviewers, and solo creators who value clean sound as much as sharp visuals. While DJI has not announced an official launch date, industry sources and leak patterns suggest that the Osmo Pocket 4 could be unveiled in late 2025 or early 2026. Regulatory filings typically appear close to product announcement windows, which strengthens the belief that the launch is not far away. Pricing is expected to fall in the range of $500 to $600 for the standard version, with higher-priced creator combo kits available for users who want extra accessories out of the box. As with previous DJI releases, regional pricing may vary depending on taxes and import conditions. If the current leaks prove accurate, the Osmo Pocket 4 could represent the most powerful pocket-sized gimbal camera DJI has ever made. A larger main sensor, possible dual-camera setup, higher video resolution, stronger battery life, improved sound quality, and faster connectivity would make it a serious tool not just for casual users, but also for professional content creators. Travel vloggers, YouTubers, social media influencers, and documentary shooters could all benefit from a device that delivers near cinema quality in a body that fits in one hand.